Hey you guys, so it is currently 7:44. I had a rough night last night between Charlotte waking up. I don't know if I think it's because she might be teething. I was too hot in the house last night. Like, I didn't want to have it where I was too hot or too cold, and then, you know, I couldn't get that right. And then my back hurts. Last night I cracked my neck really good, and that helped out a lot, and Graham rubbed my back and it helped out a little bit. But right now I can, like, once I move my neck, like here, it hurts. So I think I'm gonna take some Tylenol or something, because I don't know. And then I'm gonna sit in the recliner chair today with a heating pad just to see if that could help. I was supposed to have a package delivered yesterday, and it said that they tried delivering it, and I'm like, I was home the whole time, home the whole day, and you couldn't deliver it. So now I don't know if I have to go to the post office or if they're gonna deliver it today. But I got one thing that I want to post on my deals, or my Jen made it. I want to post the holographic vinyl that I just bought, and then I want to start this other project really badly, but I don't have any. I'm still waiting for like 3 other packages to come in. But I'm so excited to start that. I think today I'm going to try to work in the basement a little bit. I'm going to try to work on my one wreath, and then I need to post a couple things on Jen Made It, and then work on a little bit of my friend's cup that she wanted. Her cup is going to take forever. Just me spending all this time right now, I probably spent like 2 hours working on this just by figuring out what colors and everything. It wants me to cut 32 different colors, and I've narrowed it down to 20, but it's still crazy. So yeah, both kids are up. It's raining outside today, which is totally fine with me. But I'm just gonna relax. I'm gonna finish watching Twilight whenever I get a chance. But I don't know, my back is just killing me, you guys. Like, it's my upper spine, it's my upper neck spine. I don't know what I did for it to do it. I'm gonna post a video right now because it's done saving. Clear off the kitchen table. I washed all the rugs in the kitchen yesterday, and I swept the kitchen floor. I just gotta mop it and put those rugs back, and then, you know, just keep figuring out what I'm gonna do today. I'm probably gonna do a tiny load of laundry just so I can keep up with it. But other than that, my day is not that exciting, but you guys seem to enjoy it. So I will catch you guys back. Hey you guys, so it is currently 4:43. Charlotte should be waking up from her second nap like any time now. I am like worn out. I ended up vacuuming the whole floor. I also started working. One. You can only have 2. Give me one of them. Okay, there you go. So I started. Just go sit down for a little bit, honey. So I started working on a wreath. So I got that all cut out, and I'm starting to wrap. I need to clean up a little bit more. I'm going to empty the dishwasher. I got to clean around my desk because Charlotte opens my drawer, so I'm going to get a garbage bag and just start filling all that stuff out. I spent about an hour. I put her down. I went straight to the basement, and I just started cleaning like crazy. Grim's getting mad at me because I'm bringing everything out of the storage room into the living area, and I'm like, I understand, Graham, but it's like I have to get through the stuff that's behind it. So if I can get rid of more stuff, more of those totes in the storage room, I have to bring out the other stuff so I can put that stuff in there. So once I start getting some empty shelves, then I'm gonna start putting that stuff in the spot. So I started working around that. I got like 2 garbage bags filled. Finding more crafts. I'm actually gonna sell some of my craft supplies, and then I'm gonna try to make some, you know, over the summer, I'm going to try to make some Christmas and fall wreaths, just so I can start selling them, because I have a lot of stuff that I have supplies for. So I'm like, I'm going to start selling that, and then, you know, but I feel like I got somewhat of productive stuff done. Graham did tell me my mom can come down and visit. She says she can't come down next week, but she's going to come down the following week, so she's going to stay Tuesday through Friday. So I don't know how much vlogging I'll do when she's here, but I hope to get a lot of stuff done. I'm still working on people's cups. I ordered something that was supposed to be here today, and it's not here, according to UPS. A package I was supposed to receive yesterday showed up today. So I'm getting a bunch of stuff tomorrow. So I'm sorry for like delaying. I know the 2 of you guys want me to get some cups, but I'm waiting for me to get the vinyl. There's one vinyl that I want to take a picture of, which I need to do that, and I'll probably just do it tomorrow. But right now I'm just focusing on cleaning. I still have to mop the floor. Like last night I said I needed to do that. I'm gonna probably do that real quick and empty the dishwasher. Some of you guys do like the speed cleaning, which I do agree. I like the speed cleaning, but sometimes I just don't feel like it. I just want to hurry up and do it. But Ben has Legos all over the kitchen table that I want to get rid of. I need to get the toy box upstairs. I want to get that out of the living room. I eventually might get this kitchen out of here. There's a kitchen that I want to sell, but I'm trying to find the kitchen stuff because we have a kitchen box full of stuff and I just can't find it. So working on that. But yeah, Greg's gonna get mad at me because of the basement. But I'm like, hold on, honey.
Dad can't you upstairs?
Yeah, you can put it in your room. Yeah. So I'm like, you know, I just want to get some stuff done. Benjamin says hello. Yeah. So I just feel really productive today. I just had a hard time, you know, sleeping last night. My neck does hurt. Like I can't, as far as my neck can go. I should see a chiropractor, but I'm a tough person. I really like to wait till the very last minute if I can to do that. But yeah, so I'm gonna continue cleaning, empty the dishwasher, mop the floor, and that's my 2 things I want to get done before Charlotte wakes up. So that's what I'm gonna work on. But I did discuss with Graham today about how I want to schedule. So I might I might have like a picture frame or something that I have, and then I'm going to maybe put something in the back of it, and then I'm gonna write like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and I might keep it on like the wall or something, and then take a pen that you wipe off, and that's the stuff that I want to work on. That's my project of the week. So that's what I'm gonna, I should do that because I have a frame that I could use, and I could just cut something off with my Cricut machine. I might do that. And like Saturday and Sunday would be like one whole thing because we can't
all the time have these like these things. What am I eating? Sour Patch Kids?
Airheads.
All the time as I have a flat airhead, I say, can I eat this bun I put in my mouth?
Okay. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to pick up a little bit more. But yeah, I think the schedule thing, like, I'm going to do it. I'm going to go find a frame and then find a dry erase marker, make sure it comes off the glass, and then I'm going to make it decorate, and then I print something off. I'm gonna do that also. But right now, kitchen and the dishwasher.
Benjamin really wanted to go outside to play, and our neighbor always has a huge puddle on their sidewalk, and that's what he's doing. He's gonna have some good old times. He's coming inside to tell me he's all wet because it's still raining.
Hello, everybody. The time is 8:54, and I feel like today I was a bum. I felt like I didn't do anything. But you know what? I actually got a lot of stuff accomplished. Really? I vacuumed my whole entire floor. I scrubbed and mopped the kitchen floor. I made brownies today. I cleaned up my desk area. I started working on a wreath. I'll show you guys that in just a second. And then I also worked on the basement for like an hour. And Gram's like, well, you're digging stuff out. And I'm like, yeah, but you know, and I don't know if I said this or not. I don't remember. But, yes. Hi, Pookie. Pookie. Yeah. So she's just walking like crazy. Hold on, honey. I gotta get it for 1 second. So, sorry, she likes to walk on my leg, but I am working on a wreath, you guys. So I'm starting a spring or a summer wreath with a whole bunch of the colors. So I've been wanting to make that wreath for a while. I ended up getting that stuff like right when the lockdown started happening. I got all that stuff at Walmart, and I finally got a chance to work on it. I'm getting it. There you go. She wants a graham cracker. But yeah, it is now 8:56 or 8:58. Ben just went upstairs. I think he's good. He might be passed out by now. He fell asleep on the couch, and I'm like, Benjamin, go upstairs. So we got that going on. I'm still waiting on my packages that I ordered except most of it's supposed to be here tomorrow. So I'm excited to do another DIY, but I'm gonna make one for myself. This is gonna be the most expensive thing I have ever made, and I am pretty excited to see the outcome of it. But okay, so like I said, I feel like I didn't do anything, but I did get a lot of stuff accomplished. You know, I mopped the floors, I did the dishwasher, I loaded it. I've been watching Twilight. Now, I started watching the first movie a little bit last night, and then I finished it this morning. I finished the second one while I was cutting my wreath. I also did the third one, and now I'm actually watching the fourth one, the first half, and it's almost done with the first one, and I'm like, man, I should just watch all 5 of them today. It's just, Charlotte's got my cord. You got my cord, princess. But yeah, so I'm just watching all of Twilight because Twilight, I love that movie. I love that movie so much that I could stop it. I know some people are like, really, Twilight? I'm like, yeah, I don't know why. I've always had a thing for vampires, and I just like the love story. Now, I'm not a big fan of Kristen Stewart, the actress. All the other ones I'm fine with, but I'm just not a big fan of her. But I do like her in this movie, and that's pretty much it. You be a little thinker, aren't you? Yes. But, yeah, so can't even tell. I cleaned up already. It's just a mess. But tomorrow, Graham's mom wants to take Ben out for a walk. So she's going to try to come when when Ben's at, or when Charlotte's taking a nap. And she's going to take Ben. And while she's doing that, I'm probably going to go down in the basement some more and work on stuff. I just want to I've been slacking so much lately, and now it's like I really got to start doing stuff to it. So I think I'm going to work on it. Even if I have to work on it for, you know, 15 minutes a day, I really need to start putting stuff away. I need to organize all my craft stuff. I got so much craft stuff. It's crazy. But I am going to relax for the rest of the night. Ben sat on my back, and he actually cracked it, which was like, oh, I can move. My neck is still a little stiff, but he like cracked it, and I'm like, yes, thank you. So I'm gonna have Graham rub my back again when he gets home. He should be home probably within the next 10 to 15 minutes. I'm hoping you have just a nice night to actually sleep. I don't know what is with me, but I'm excited to have, you know, a fun weekend this weekend. I'm excited to get some stuff done. And I really need my hair cut, you guys. Like, I haven't seen my hair this long since before I got married. Like, right before I got married, because when I got married, I grew my hair out as long as I could because I wanted as much curls as possible. And it's, like, long. Like, I just been putting it in ponytails lately because it just gets in constant knots. But it's, like, way down there. And I'm thinking of actually just cutting it to my jaw or my top of my shoulder. So I was debating on seeing if my mom wanted to cut it, or I might just go to the salon and do it. With everything going on, it's been crazy. They've been getting like 30 people a day now testing positive in my county. When they had the lockdown, it was like 1 to 3 people a day. Now it's like 30 as of yesterday. And then 2 days ago it was 24, so it's like, it's just gonna get worse, you guys. Like, it's just crazy, but I'm still being safe. I'm not going out everywhere. I'm not taking the kids. I don't need anything. A lot of stuff I'm just buying online. But I got majority of the stuff that I need, and I just need to work on that stuff and stop buying new stuff. But, like I said, there's that. I gotta start working on some more stuff for, you know, vinyl stuff, but I just have a lot of projects on my mind, and I never did the chore thing, which I'm gonna probably work on that tomorrow. I gotta remind myself to work tomorrow. And if it's a nice day tomorrow, I gotta see if I have silver spray paint, and I am going to do another DIY, and I'll probably do a video for that if I can. If it depends on the weather, because I have to have it nice weather out when I use spray paint, because otherwise it is, yeah, it's been raining all day today. But I'm gonna let you guys go. I know, like, Jennifer did done up already, but I know you guys want to see more of a vlog, and like, that's why I don't call this like a vlog, because I'm not showing. I mean, if we're out and about, it's fine, but we don't go out and about anymore, and it's really hard, you know, to have a conversation with some kids. Ben's good. Oh, you got Ben's milk cup? Thank you. Thank you, princess. Oh, thank you. She's so helpful, so helpful. Thank you. Why don't you go put that in the kitchen for me? Yeah? But yeah, that's why I just kind of do the day of my life. But still waiting on an answer from Fetch. They had somebody, you know, said they're going to look into it. Still can't redeem any gift cards. I had somebody from Flu's text me or email me today saying, oh, have you joined Flu's? Blah, 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 blah. And I'm like, I already joined it, you know, months ago. And the person who I've been talking to, he didn't respond to me. So I don't know if he works for the company more. I have no idea. Still waiting for an answer from Cricut. I'm still waiting for an answer from Children's Place. I'm still waiting for an answer from Joanne Fabrics. Like, it's just crazy. The one that I'm really gonna be pissed off with is Cricut, because I bought something and my machine doesn't take it, so it's like I want my money back. So we got that going on. But other than that, I will see you guys all tomorrow. You have a lovely day and good night.